Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur la chaîne Bonjour with Muskaan. So I hope you are fine and j'espère que vous allez bien. So I'm starting the series from the very beginning and these videos will be helpful for the beginners. So if you are someone who has just started learning French and who wants to learn from very basic, so you can check out my this series. I have just started. So this is the first episode of our this series. And in this video, we will be doing Lay's alphabet. So let's start without any further ado. C'est parti. And I hope by the end of this journey, you will pronounce all 26 French letters and recognize French accents as there are different accents in French and also read common French sounds. For different alphabets and combination letters, there are different sounds. And also you will improve overall pronunciation. So let's first of all do alphabets, which we call Lay's alphabets. Okay. First one is A. A. A for avion. Avion. Now here avion, you can guess what is avion? Aeroplane. B. B. B for bateau. Bateau is, you can see from photo, boat or ship. Then C. 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 C for Sha. Sha is cat. Now they. 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 They for dinosaur. Dinosaur. A. 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 A for elephant. Elephant. F. F. F for fleur. Fleur. Fleur is flower. Fleur is flower. Now we have done A, avion, B, bateau, C, chat, D, dinosaur, E, elephant, and F, fleur. I hope now you can understand the how to pronounce these alphabets till F. Now let's G. G is J. 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 J for giraffe. Giraffe. Then Ash. Ash. Ash is Ibu. Ibu. Ibu is, you can see from photo, right? Now E. E. Yuan. Yuan. You can see also that. Then G. 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 Jarda. 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 Ka. 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 Ka for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L. L. L for Leo. Leo. Now let's repeat the second line. What was this? G. J. Yeah, it was J. It is not G, it is J. I think you might be confused between G or J, right? Because it is J and it is G, but their sounds are different. It is J and it is G. They are like replaced with each other. J. Then Ash. E. G. K. L. Okay, now let's do third one. M. M. Maison. Maison. N. 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 Nuage. Nuage. O, O, orange, orange. P, 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 papillon, 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 papillon. Well, now what is this? Q, 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 quatre, quatre, quatre is four, quatre. Then this is the most difficult one that beginners find. R, 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 renard, renard. S, 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 soleil, soleil, soleil. Now T, 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 tra, tra, tra. U, 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 uniform, uniform, uniform. V, 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 voiture, voiture, voiture. W, 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 wagon, wagon. Oh, now we have bit one. Before that, let's revise the last two lines that we did. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Now Y, 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 yachts, yachts. Now last one is Z, 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 zebra, zebra, zebra. Now I hope that now you know how to pronounce all of these. So let's one more time revise all of these. Now repeat after me. A, A, A for avion. B, B, B for bateau. C, C, C for shark. D, D, D for dinosaur. A, A, A for elephant. F, F, F for flower. Now I already told you that you might be confused, but what is this? It is G or J. Now take a pause and think if it is G or J. In English it is G, okay? So just think that it is opposite of that. And now here it will be J, okay? J. J for giraffe. Then Ash. Ash. Ash for E. Now E. E. E for Yuan. Then what was this? G. In English because we say J, then it is the opposite. G. G. G for Jada. Jada. Now K. K. K for kangaroo. L. L. L for Lion. Lion. M. M. M for Maison. N. N. N for Nuage. O. O. O for Orange. P. P. P for Papillon. Q. Q. Q for Cat. R. R. R for Renard. Renard. S. S. S for Soleil. T. T. T for Tra. U. U. U for Uniform. V. V. V for Voiture. W. 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 Wagon. X. X. X for Zero. Y, Y, youth, Z, Z, zebra. Now, bravo, now you know alphabets. So now let's move ahead and do vowels. Now, like in English, we have A, E, I, O, U vowels, but in French, Y, which is Y, it is also a vowel. So now let's see the examples of these vowels. A, amour, amour. Amour means love. A, dama. Dama means tomorrow. E, ec. Ec means here. O, orange. Orange here can be fruit or color also. U, Leon. Leon is moon. Y. Y is also a vowel. Okay. Then its example is stilo. Stilo means pen. So always remember that Y is also a vowel in French. Now let's do accents. The first one is l'accent aigu. L'accent aigu, it is written like this. As you can see, E and accent above. Now pronunciation sounds like A. Okay, so now for pronunciation, we just pronounce it as A. Like see an example, cafe, cafe, école, école, bébé, bébé. So now here sounds, which sound is coming? A. So that's why we have pronounced the whole word like this, like cafe, école, bébé. Okay. So second one is laxograph. Laxograph is opposite of that. Like laxoague is this and laxograph is this. And how do we pronounce this? Oh, like let. You can remember like that. Now, example here is mare, mare, per, per, la, la, u, u. Now, in all of these, we have used laxograph. Third is laxo circumflex. Now, it seems like a cap on top of the top of these vowels. So you always use laxo circumflex with vowels. See here, a, e, a, e, o, u, a, e, I, o, u, and but remember, like I told you before, that y is also a vowel, but we don't use laxo circumflex here. It's only used with these vowels. Now let's see its pronunciation. Often changes vowel sound, sometimes historical. So it changes the sound of the vowel sometimes, like foreth, foreth, hotel, hotel, il, il. So its sound changes according to the vowel. It doesn't have any fixed sound, it just changes according to the vowel. Now next one is trema. Trema. Trema is these two dots, as you can see. And it's mostly used with EIU. Okay. So its pronunciation is separates vowels. It separates vowels. Noel, Noel, May, May. So that's how it sounds. And last one is Sedil. Sedil. Sedil here is this C and the this thing down there. It is Sedil. And we pronounce it as F. Sounds like a soft F. Like France, garçon, laisson. Okay. So now here cafe equal bebe. Cafe means coffee, école means school, and bebe means baby. Mère a père, mother and father. La there. Who where. Forêt forest. Hotel hotel. Île island. Noël Christmas. May corn. Fonse French. Garçon, boy. A leçon, lesson. Now I hope you know what are accents in French and how to use them and how to pronounce them. Now we have already done that C with an say deal sounds like soft S. So it will be S, like français, garçon. Now some other, like with the U variation, there are three. With the U variation, the I variation, and the consonant shift. Let's first do the U variation. U, O plus U. It sounds O. Like example, rouge, rouge. Now rouge here is red. Second is A plus U, O. Example, jaune, O. Jaune. Now A plus A plus U, O. Example, beau, beau. A plus U, A. Example, bleu, bleu. Now first one is OU, rouge. AU, jaune. EAU, beau. And EU, bleu. Now let's do variation. The I variation, you can say. O plus E, wa. Example, moi. OI, moi. A plus E, maison. Now AI here is maison, maison. Okay, moi, moi, maison, maison. Now last one is the consonant shift. C plus say plus a sh. Now it's ch is not sound like so cho. No, it's like not like cho. It's like sh. Example, chocolat. So here ch is replaced with sh sound. Chocolat. Okay. Chocolat, you know, chocolate. And rouge is red. Jaune is yellow color. Beau means handsome. And bleu, blue. Moi, me. Maison, house. Now, here are some French nasal sounds. On, like in enfant. En, enfant. On, bonjour. Bonjour. Vin, in. Vin. Un, parfum. Parfum. Now it is written but its pronunciation is parfum. I hope you have understood till here. Like first one is enfant, enfant. Second is bonjour, bonjour. And third is vin, vin. And last one is parfum, parfum. Now let's see the silent treatments, letters written but never spoken. So here the last alphabets are written but it's never spoken. It remains silent always, like petit. Now here we will not say petit, we will say petty, petty. Last T is silent. Grown, not groaned. Grown, grown. Third is par, par, or you can say parflo, parflo. Okay, parflo. Now T is silent. Beaucoup, beaucoup, beaucoup. P is silent. Petit means small, grand, big. Parflo is to speak, and beaucoup means a lot. Now, apart from this, there are other letters, or you can say alphabets, in which we write it but we don't speak. Try to find out more words like this. But in French, there are almost all words which are written like this, but the last letter is never spoken. Now, you already know fun quiz. What sound does C with sedil makes? Obviously, it's so, right? S sound, so, soft S. Like in Francais, garçon. So these all are sounded like S. And here, let's now do this. Fill in the missing letters. Now, you know what are alphabets, you know accents as well, you know how to pronounce these, and you know letter combinations like we did with a plus u, bow, these eau, bow. And along with that we have done nasal sounds as well, then silent letters. So just now try to do this. These are a lot simpler. First, what? Okay, let's take 5 minutes and just do this quickly. Now I hope you have done this. Let's do it. First one is bonjour. There will be B. Second is maison. M A A. Maison. Third is chat. Fourth is pomme. Fifth is école. Then fleur, rouge, and last one is livre. There will be R. Here it will be O, then E, again O, O, A, and B. Okay. Now let's pronounce these words. Pronunciation challenge. Now you have to do this. You have to read it aloud. Take 2-3 minutes, then I will read with you. Okay. Now let's pronounce this. First is bonjour. Bonjour. Second, merci. Merci. Croissant. 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 Français. Français. Rouge. Rouge. École. École. Famille. Famille.